Metanyx, if to be described in simple words, is like a junction where many blockchain experts and enthusiasts work together, sync their skills, passion, experience, and vision to develop the blockchain ecosystem a notch higher. The platform offers cutting-edge, well-grounded staking services. The fact that the platform has been able to deliver a performance of 99.999% achievement in block production across various networks speaks volumes about the caliber of Metanyx. This staking platform aims to offer its customers attractive yields on their investments in order to push the returns percentage to the maximum level possible. What makes the Metanyx class apart? Metanyx has earned the spot of being counted amongst the best platforms with the help of its unique feature that set it class apart. It is a high availability platform. The high availability structure of Metanyx allows it to provide blocks. For instance, the platform offers N+1 architecture to the ION network for block production. Strong security. Metanyx makes use of Seleniux, firewalls, and live log monitoring that backs up the platform's nodes with the strength of security. Node availability alerts and monitoring. Every time there is any node available, the platform sends alerts. It monitors the endpoints, checks the node availability, screens real-time log data, undertakes the processing task, and manages configuration alert metrics with the help of Google Stackdriver. With the help of the external and internal alerting, the platform manages to go for 99.99% uptime. Further, in order to maximize the returns, the platform also offers a strong and stable block production infrastructure to the voters. Flexible scalability. The staking platform has a unique feature to go up or down in terms of its nodes in an automatic manner based on the requirement of the capacity. POS utility consensus testing. Metanyx tests the POS utility consensus on the Amity testnet. It is involved in the continuous production of reliable blocks. The journey of Metanyx by far. Metanyx has always been involved in supporting IOST, Internet of Services, and IoTeX blockchains. It is also often seen taking active participation in the decentralization of ICANN and the implementation of ION. Here are a few landmarks that the platform has achieved so far. Achievements in the field of Internet of Services, IOST. When it comes to you can read full post on CryptoFans. News, link available in text below.